G'day, welcome to the Simple Cooking channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make a cheesecake dip. This is so yummy. You can use fruit to dip, wafers to dip, anything. So let's go. Get a medium-sized bowl and put in about 250 grams of cream cheese. Now pop this in the microwave for about 30 to 40 seconds on high. Now add 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 200 mils of thickened cream, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Now whisk this together. Now get some sort of server, just pour that straight in. Now get 2 or 3 of your favourite biscuits. I like to use Nice biscuits, you can use graham crackers, whatever, and just put them in a plastic bag and beat the living crap out of them. Who's a naughty cookie? Now get your cheesecake dip mixture and sprinkle however much of this you want on it. Just put a heap on if you wish. Now just pop this in the fridge for an hour or so, just to let it get a little thicker, but we don't want this to be like the consistency of a cheesecake because this is a dip. So you can serve in an hour after being in the fridge. Well, hope you like this. So good. Such a yummy dip. As I said, you can dip anything in this. Fruits are really good, or just something else sweet like that. That was so good. I'll see you next time for my next meal.